me and Sam over here are at Orwell Country Park, and I'm just going to show you the place really, because I'm going to do a remake video. I done it like a year ago, but I didn't have a drone, and I couldn't show you like most of the best places, because the best places are up in the air where you can look over and see what you can, like, see the sights that way. So I'm going to get that and yeah, show you this picturesque place. This will go into the beauty spots playlist. That's why I wanted it on here, so I can have a proper good beauty spot video. You get a lot of dog walkers here and just a lot of people enjoying it. It's really busy today as well. There is a lot of cars. A little bit of history on this place as well. There used to be outdoor swimming pools here. Understand this, and I don't think Sam does either, because every time we come here we always say this, but why is there a lamppost just on the beach or shore or whatever it is? I don't get it. So this is the Orwell Bridge, which crosses half of Ipswich to the other half of Ipswich, kind of, and it's like a bypass basically, so it doesn't go through the town or the traffic, but it makes for really picturesque photos. So I'm going to get these for you all. But look at this place. It's so pretty. And this is why it's going into the like picturesque, oh, what was it? The beauty spot playlist. The beauty spot playlist. This is why. Okay. So we're coming up to our next spot on the stop list, and Sam wants to get a drone shot of me walking along this like beach path for his Instagram and for my Instagram.
For your Instagram mainly.
For both of us.
Ah.
And there is the Orwell Bridge again. I love this place so much. I can't keep saying it. Like, you need to come here if you haven't been here. Like, I know quite a few people around the Ipswich area will watch this probably, and it's, to them it's normal, but like to quite a lot of people, they don't get this sort of thing, especially people who live in like cities and stuff. So yeah, like normally they have to drive quite far to get to somewhere like this, whereas we can drive 10 minutes and it's here on our doorstep. So we're about to set off. Sam's going to direct me. What do you want? And then we'll put it in the video.
Stand on the beach.
Stand on the beach. All right. Right. Switch into drone view in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm just saying, whilst we're walking along here, look at all these flowers in the trees. They are so pretty. Are these snow blossoms? Snowdrops?
I wouldn't know.
I always get confused. Someone corrected me in my video like ages ago at Badley Church about what they were. Forgotten again, please correct me again. We're coming up to the Orwell Bridge. And it's always windy on the Orwell Bridge and underneath it. Don't know why, it just is. And it is windy today. But here you go. So, for the people that did watch my video the other time, it's big. How long has it been here for?
Pretty good.
Early 2000s?
30 years? Wait, the Orwell Bridge?
Yeah.
Oh, probably, I think it was built in the 80s.
Ah, there we go then.
I think.
Oh my god, it's so windy.
Oh.
And it's the view, yeah.
Why is it so windy here? Yeah, right,
And if you look up, there is a split in the road. Which is kind of scary looking up at. But yeah, that's down the pillars. Oh my god, it's so windy here. I can barely like see because the wind's blowing water in my eye, like the water's coming out of my tear ducts. That was a catch as well, wasn't it? I think I got that on camera. Yo, about to do a GTA heist now. Yeah, so like people graffiti this, but whatever. It's just, I'm not actually too fussed with that graffiti where I normally am. Let's just go down a little bit to the water. And here we go. Just down by the water. This has been Orwell Country Park, or this has been the beauty spot, Orwell Country Park. Please hit that like button, please subscribe, thank you for watching, and thanks for 600 subs, it means a lot. Peace.